Hey everybody, and welcome to another iMovie tutorial in this series that I've created. So I've kind of gone into all the different little buttons here and there, and one of the things that I actually just did for my holiday card was using like a green screen to create an overlay. So point is that this is something that everybody said to me. They're like, oh my God, how did you do that? So in this really short video, I'm going to teach you very simply how in iMovie you can use what I call as overlay, but you would use a green screen to be able to take one video and literally put it on top of another video. And also I'm going to show you how to get rid of that green part. And if you haven't already, go ahead and watch the YouTube content downloading video in case you need to know how to get these videos off of YouTube. There is this license called a Creative Commons license here, and actually I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and just search free green screen effects, and as you can see, there's some filtering options here, and there's a license called Creative Commons. Now, if you select Creative Commons, anybody that posted a video and selected the license of Creative Commons means that they are giving you permission to use their videos for free. So the Creative Commons license is just when you create something and the person who created it is literally giving it to the world. But as you can see, all these videos have green backgrounds. So you have to figure out how to get this video into whatever you're trying to make without the green. So let's go back into iMovie, and I have already grabbed a picture, and then I have already grabbed, as you can see here, the all of the flying emojis. We're going to get rid of the rest of this video here, but we are trying to use this piece. So the first thing we're going to do is put the base piece, so whatever content you want on the bottom, on first. So we're going to go ahead and throw this down here into the timeline. iMovie is going to automatically give you a Ken Burns, which is a type of zoom. Honestly, in terms of however you're trying to make this video, that's going to totally be up to you. I'm just going to show you how you put a green screen video on top of this video, and then you take away the green. So we only want the first part of this video, so we can go ahead and just select what we want, which will pretty much be this, and then we're going to throw this. So we're going to go ahead and drag this down and drag it on top of this, so this doesn't look like anything. So we're going to start here. So, and let's zoom out so that they are the same length. All right. So, but as you can see right now, all it shows you is the green on top, right? So, so what we're trying to do is we need to get rid of the green part. So we're going to select the video on top. This little button up here only appears when you have videos on top of one another, and then you go ahead and use this drop down and do green, blue, screen. So as you can see now, we'll go ahead to full screen, and I'll show you. We now have a very blurry picture with these like emojis flying across the screen, but as you saw before, these were originally on a green screen and that picture wasn't there. So Simply put, this is how you add a green screen video on top of either a picture or video. You don't necessarily have to do it on top of a picture. We could have added a video as well. I just took a screenshot of something to be able to prove how you do this. Perfect. So have fun green screen and everything. Bye, guys.